Seconds with Femi Kore Pidgin and is now they do. No worry, for the end of this video you go see the Intersports result. Sorry, Europa League result. My people from my area na Intersport na they call Europa League. Go the comment section, we'll go argue that one whether Europa League still get with Intersport Europa League. Anyone, anyway is the way. But the Coco won't talk this morning. The real team won't talk this morning. Na Jose Mourinho. Because me, they feel say it be like say people they too criticize this Jose Mourinho. In carry water knock for ground. People say, hey, see the way they celebrate, see the way they do. But we don't see coaches where we say their team score goal. Now so they wrong, go hang on top under there they sit down. Like saying that then the load boss from England. But Jose Mourinho do the same, do another thing. People don't they do. Some people don't say, me Jose Mourinho landlord even pursue and come up for us. Me UEFA banner, me FIFA banner, all those kind of things. Some people don't say Mourinho too, they come criticizing players outside. But not being the only coach where they come criticizing players. So I want to know this morning. Abi, get what Mourinho don't do before. Where they say people, they like the one talk about them. Abi, people just want to pick on Mourinho. They want to talk about Mourinho every time. Where, every time Mourinho. Abi, you get something. Waiting be the matter. Now me, I want to know this morning.